In this lesson, we will be investigating polygons. Now, just as a quick recap, a polygon is a shape that has many sides. Um, and so we can think about what do we call a polygon with 4 sides, with 6 sides, or with 8 sides. Now, 4 sides you guys talked about last year, and those would be called quadrilaterals. You can hear that word quad in them, and quad means 4. So if you think of when you were outside driving a quad has 4 wheels. Um, we can use those prefixes, those pieces at the beginning of the word to help us describe how many sides a shape has. So with 4 sides, I have a quadrilateral. With 6, we have a hexagon. And with 8, we have an octagon. Now, when we talk about 8, octo sounds like octopus, which also has 8 legs. So we can see those same prefixes coming up in the way that we name different things. So a polygon is a closed shape with sides that are straight line segments. Exactly 2 sides meet at a vertex, so each one of these corners is a vertex, and the sides intersect only at the vertices, so they do not cross in the middle. So this shape here is a polygon, however, these ones do not. This one is not because it does not have straight lines. This one is not closed, so there's an opening. I could walk into the shape if it was a building. And this one here intersects at an alternate spot. So it's kind of like I twisted this shape and this is overlapping in the middle. So these are non-polygons. A regular polygon has all sides equal and all angles equal. So when I'm looking at these here, all of these have the side lengths equal, and you can see all those hash marks there that we talked about previously, telling us that they are equal, and all of our angles. So we have the same arc in each one of those corners, telling us that each one of those angles is equal as well. So here we have an equilateral triangle. This would be a square, which would be a regular polygon, but it's also a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. We have a pentagon, so this one has 5 sides. This one is a hexagon because it has 6 sides. And this one is an octagon because it has 8 sides. So a regular polygon has line symmetry, meaning that I can cut it in half and I can fold it over there. So a regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. So when I look at this, I have 6 lines that happen where I can fold it in half on those lines, and that will create a symmetrical figure. An irregular polygon does not have all sides equal and all angles equal. So that means that these would all be irregular polygons. Although they do fit the criteria for a polygon, they have no sides that are the same, or maybe they only have a set of 2. It looks like these 2 sides might be the same, or that one and that one might be the same. The angles are not the same in every corner. So in order to be regular, every side and every angle has to be equal. Anything that doesn't fit that would be an irregular polygon. A convex polygon has all angles less than 180 degrees. So all of my angles are less than a straight line. So these polygons are all convex. So I might have an acute angle, I might have an obtuse angle, which I see right here, but they are all less than 180 degrees. And I also have a concave polygon. So in a concave, I have at least one angle that is greater than 180 degrees. So if I look at this angle here is that reflex angle, and it is greater than 180 degrees. Same with this one and that one. And so in those cases, these are concave polygons. So what I'm going to ask you to do is determine if these are polygons, determine whether or not they are regular, and I believe there is a spot where it asks you about convex and concave polygons. So give it a try, and if you have any questions, please let me know.